What's up, guys? Dr. Crank. Me and my little baby doll Sherry right here. Excuse us, we look a little rough, but we've been painting and clearing land and working on a house. And anyway, decided to come back here and explore this property a little bit. You can see it's beautiful out here. Beautiful. Big giant tree back there. It's this guy's. Anyway, I ain't got a slug to take it from me this time, or I did the last time, in case you watching slug. But anyway, here we go. We found this old house back here, and we're gonna go explore it. But I want to show y'all. Check these little flower and shrubs out that are back here in the woods. And man, here it is. Look at this. Like, this place is really old. Very old. So, if I can keep from falling through the floor, we're gonna check it out. Okay. Just watch where you step. Okay.
Oh my God.
Look here. There's an old doll. Look at me. I'm an old demented doll. I'm a swallow soul. Swallow soul. Not cool, though. That's cool, man. Okay. Good Lord. Check this shit out. Well, looks like there's plenty of mason jars back here, so won't have no problems canning stuff. Anyway, look at this. Old antique glass, which I am a collector of. There's a photo album. Neat, neat. Look at these old newspapers. Super old pair of scissors. Check those out. Make you wonder why the ends are clipped off, huh?
That was the box my Weeble treehouse came in.
Really? How was it?
God, I was just a baby. I was just a kid.
Okay. You can see the forest fell out. Some of it. I'd say those plants right there, they've been in plant heaven for a long time. Look at this. Well, it's gonna be neat to go through all of this. Man, look at this old shovel. Okay, I'm gonna cut the light on so you can see. There's another little baby doll. Yeah. Okay. See, we've got natural lighting up in the house. Skylight, that's old school right there. But look at this TV. Man, is that not old. Let's see. An old cabinet. This can be redone. Lots of books. I think it's somebody really like to read. Old school suitcase. Oh wow. Okay. Look at that wood. That one?
This.
That one? Okay, we'll get it. This is, oh, let me cut this light off. GoPro mod gear, baby. This is actually Sherry's great grandmother's house. So this is really cool. So it was back on the property though that we were getting. But oh man, look at that old ass sewing machine. Another bear. I am the death bear. Death bear. I wonder how old the baby is now that slept in that little carrier. Man, there's no telling. Oh, little super creepy baby doll. I'm a really old baby doll. Yeah, spooky. I had to go with my collection, and I actually collect antique baby dolls. There's a cat right here rummaging through stuff.
I'm scared to dig too deep. I'm scared I'll get on a snake.
You ain't gonna get on a snake. There won't be nothing venomous in that.
Ninnies.
The light's hanging from the ceiling. It's old school right here. Okay, guys. We're gonna look in this closet. Or is that a closet? Watch out, babe.
This is Ninny's dress.
Is it? Alright, we'll
These are her
keep that.
clothes.
Okay. Oh shit. Old school Fenton glass, baby. That's a treasure. Let's put Daddy over. We'll keep that. Well, I don't know. Skeleton key for the lock here. I guess I gotta go get a skeleton key. You couldn't pay me $1 million to put that hat on right now. It's gotta be like, ooh shit, that's a bright light. I gotta figure this thing out still. Play with enough, but anyway. Careful, man. Wait, but so far, this is exploration of the old house. Oh shit, man. Y'all gotta see this. If I'm not mistaken, these are old school encyclopedias. God damn, I'm getting some bitch out of it now. Right there. All right. World Book Encyclopedia. How old is that? Donna Cockrell. Isn't that your sister?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see the front. These are the encyclopedias we had when I was little.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Whose little baby shoe? It's bronze.
Probably my second cousin. That was probably his shoe. I think it was. I cannot believe
Alright guys,
this.
well I'm going to cut this off. That'll be it for the exploration. Maybe we'll come back in here at nighttime. See if there's any ghosts up in this joker.
I can't believe it.
Peace out, baby.
Look, I found
GoPro, stop recording.